Or, which is actually quite popular on Upwork, is selling AI workflows. This is one of the most underrated AI business models. Instead of selling your time, you can sell your systems. With tools like n8n and AI, you can build workflows that businesses rely on every single day. For example, imagine an agency that gets tons of inquiries but doesn't know which ones are serious. You build a workflow that automatically reads incoming messages, identifies business size, scores urgency, and flags hot leads. So I'm personally working with someone right now that sold an AI workflow for about $5,000. And what it does is it scrapes menu items from restaurants in their local community. Why would they want to scrape menu items from other restaurants? Well, here's the truth. Number one is competitor menu analysis. They can scrape menu items to see how effective the menus are and how broad the other selections are. Number two is trend notification. Restaurants can use this insights to get ideas on trending foods or other restaurants' best sellers. And number three is price intelligence. Restaurants can price accordingly based on other restaurants in the area. And once a business relies on a system like this, they're not going to cancel easy. Next up is method 5.